After researching dozens of the best essential oil diffusers, we chose the top 5 most promising models to test side by side. We practically bathed in a finely scented mist to put each of them through their paces and find the best. We tested their coverage and consistency, cycled through every setting, and measured how long they'll last before running out of water. Whether you want a strong cloud to bask in, a light fragrance to accent your home, or a humidifying nightlight to calm you to sleep, we've found the perfect diffuser for your domain and your wallet. Whether you're looking for a new area rug to brighten up a room or some fresh candles for those nights when you want to turn the lights down, there are numerous options for cheap best aromatherapy diffuser, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best aromatherapy diffuser from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Raindrop 3.0 Nebulizing Diffuser. The Raindrop 3.0 is our favorite nebulizing model we tested. This type of diffuser creates pure atomized oils not diluted by water. This elegant glass-topped unit looks great anywhere, with clean, smooth lines, and it's mesmerizing to watch the essential oil vaporizing within and rising slowly out the top. Without the need to dilute your oils, the Raindrop 3.0 quickly fills your space with pure scent, easily covering large rooms without the extra humidity created by ultrasonic devices. This classy-looking diffuser is quiet even on its highest setting, and features a simple white LED light and a built-in 2-hour timer. It runs in a cycle of 2 minutes on and 1 minute off to provide even effective coverage. It's also the only model we tested with a magnetically attached cord to help prevent a disaster if you trip over the cord, though it's not foolproof. Number 2. Best for classy appearances Vitruvi Stone Diffuser. The Vitruvi Stone Diffuser is small but absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, this elegant diffuser has a tiny 90 ml capacity and minimal settings. Depending on how you dilute your oils, you can still get pretty good coverage. It just won't be able to tackle your entire 2,000 square foot house. Still, it easily filled our main tester's spacious living and dining room area. Limited timer and light settings keep it simple to use and keep it looking fly in the process. It's even uncomplicated to clean. Simply run it for 30 minutes with a specified white vinegar mixture, and you're good to go. However, the Vitruvi will likely disappoint if you're looking for a rainbow of color options or a plethora of timers and mist settings. Its narrow band of light has only one color, a peachy orange shade, of a single brightness. And it offers only 2 usage settings with no option to just turn it on and walk away. The ceramic stone top is also much easier to break. Number 3. Aroma Diffuser for Essential Oils, 550 ml. The Aroma Diffuser for Essential Oils, 550 ml, is an excellent gift idea if you're searching for the perfect starter kit to give your favorite budding essential oil enthusiast. You get a pretty wood grain diffuser and 10 different 10 ml bottles of common essential oil for one reasonable price. Also included is a brief description of each oil and some of their common and preferred uses. An average-sized reservoir and great run time held the Pure Daily to be user-friendly choice. Additionally, its buttons and settings are simple to comprehend and easy to use. For the tech hounds out there, the simplicity of the Pure Daily Care may be underwhelming. It has just one mist setting, and during our testing, the light was inconsistent in whether turned off when the unit shut off or remained on. The thin neck is also more challenging to clean than most of the flat-top models we tested. And the essential oils don't say if they're 100% pure or not, which is something you definitely want when putting them into your diffuser. Number 4. Outstanding value for small spaces URPOWER 2. One of several lookalikes on the internet, the URPOWER 2 is a minimalistic aromatherapy diffuser that's uncomplicated to use and inexpensive. Though many diffusers claim to be whisper quiet, the URPOWER is genuinely an exceptionally quiet device. It has minimal options perfect for the essentialist: on or off and continuous or intermittent mist. Lacking any timers, this little machine simply runs until it's empty, which is around 6 hours using the intermittent setting. The entire translucent device lights up brightly or dimly in 7 colors, or it cycles through the rainbow, making it a solid choice for those who have nyctophobia, i.e., fear of the darkness. The URPOWER is best used in smaller spaces because of its limited capacity, and can be an excellent fit for a child's bedroom or even your office at work. However, if you're hoping for a diffuser that can last all night or the whole workday, this isn't it. Number 5. Pretty Nightlight EQUSUPRO Ultrasonic Cool Mist. We love the way the EQUSUPRO Ultrasonic Cool Mist seems to dance in the dark. Unfortunately, when it comes to actual diffusing performance, we found ourselves wanting more. The colors of lights in the EQUSUPRO are more vibrant than any other model we tested, giving this blackened metal unit a rich, striking appearance with the lights on or off. 5 different possible patterns let you choose a design you love to look at. And for a small 100 ml diffuser, we are pleased to report it kept running longer than we expected. Unfortunately, this long run time was mostly due to the wild inconsistency of how much mist the EQUSUPRO was putting out. While at first, it was a veritable smokestack, filling the room with sweet-smelling scents, after several uses, it started unpredictably oscillating between working precisely as promised and putting out so little mist that it could barely be seen. The design could also be cleaned up a bit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.